Coffee. It's the elixir of life for millions of people worldwide. For most of us, it's how we start our day, and for some, it's practically a form of self-care. But beyond the energy boost and alertness, did you know that coffee plays a significant role in how our bodies manage weight? Yes, your morning cup of joe might be doing a lot more than just waking you up. It's stimulating your metabolism, burning fat, and even affecting your appetite. As we explore the fascinating science behind coffee, we'll uncover both its benefits and drawbacks when it comes to weight management. The truth might surprise you. While moderate coffee consumption has been linked to positive effects on body weight, consuming it in excess can have unintended consequences, especially when sugary additives come into play. In today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about coffee's impact on your diet. Whether you're a die-hard coffee lover or just curious, there's plenty of information that might change the way you look at your favorite morning drink. Let's start with metabolism, the key reason many people associate coffee with weight loss. Metabolism refers to the complex chemical reactions in your body that convert food into energy. Caffeine, the primary stimulant found in coffee, has been shown to increase the metabolic rate. In fact, studies indicate that caffeine can boost your resting metabolic rate by 3 to 11%. This means that, simply put, your body is burning more calories at rest when caffeine is in your system. Here's how it works. Caffeine stimulates the central nervous system, which increases your heart rate and breathing. As a result, the body expends more energy, even if you're just sitting down and sipping that cup of coffee. But it doesn't stop there. Coffee can also promote fat oxidation, which is the process of breaking down fat molecules for energy. In particular, caffeine can enhance fat oxidation during exercise, encouraging the body to use stored fat as fuel. For individuals looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy body composition, this can be particularly beneficial. However, while coffee may have these positive effects on your metabolism, it's important to remember that individual responses vary. Factors like age, gender, and tolerance levels all play a role in how much your metabolism benefits from caffeine. One of the most debated aspects of coffee's impact on weight management is its effect on appetite. For some, coffee acts as an appetite suppressant. Studies suggest that caffeine can reduce levels of the hunger hormone ghrelin, making you feel fuller for longer. This can be helpful if you're trying to cut down on snacking or reduce your overall caloric intake. But coffee doesn't affect everyone the same way. For some, caffeine can actually stimulate cravings, especially for sugary and high-carb foods. The reason for this could be tied to how caffeine affects blood sugar levels and energy expenditure. When the initial caffeine boost wears off, some individuals may experience a crash, leading them to crave quick energy sources like sweets or processed snacks. So, while coffee might help some people stay on track with their diet, others might find that it has the opposite effect, leading to poor food choices or overconsumption. Understanding how your body responds to coffee is crucial in managing its effects on your appetite. Now let's talk about something many coffee drinkers experience but don't always discuss openly: how coffee affects your digestion. Coffee stimulates the production of stomach acid, which can speed up the digestive process. This effect can be beneficial in some cases, but it can also lead to digestive discomfort for certain individuals, especially those with sensitive stomachs. Moderation is key here. For those who find themselves running to the bathroom too often after drinking coffee, reducing your intake or opting for a milder brew might help. Interestingly, this same digestive stimulation can actually aid in weight loss by helping the body process food more efficiently. While coffee has its benefits, it's important to recognize the potential downsides, especially when it comes to long-term health and weight management. One of the most significant concerns is the potential for caffeine addiction. Over time, your body can build up a tolerance to caffeine, meaning that you'll need more and more of it to experience the same stimulating effects. This can lead to excessive coffee consumption, which is where the problems begin. Excessive caffeine intake, typically defined as more than 400 milligrams per day, or about 4 cups of coffee, can lead to a range of negative side effects, including anxiety, restlessness, and insomnia. These symptoms can also indirectly affect your weight. For instance, poor sleep quality is closely linked to weight gain. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more ghrelin, the hormone that stimulates hunger, and less leptin, the hormone that signals fullness. As a result, you may find yourself overeating or craving high-calorie comfort foods. This vicious cycle of caffeine, poor sleep, and overeating can be hard to break. That's why it's essential to monitor your coffee intake and ensure you're not overdoing it, especially in the afternoon or evening. Another downside of coffee that's often overlooked is the hidden calories in popular coffee drinks. While a standard black coffee has virtually no calories, many coffee beverages are loaded with sugar, cream, and flavored syrups. A typical vanilla latte, for example, can contain anywhere from 150 to 300 calories, depending on the size and the amount of added ingredients. These extra calories can quickly add up, especially if you're drinking these types of coffee beverages regularly. Over time, the excess sugar and fat in these drinks can contribute to weight gain, negating any potential benefits coffee might have for your metabolism. To avoid this, it's best to stick with black coffee or opt for healthier alternatives like almond milk or oat milk, which are lower in calories. You can also try sweetening your coffee with natural zero-calorie sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit to keep your caloric intake in check. One of the often overlooked benefits of coffee is its ability to enhance exercise performance. Studies have shown that caffeine can improve endurance and increase the amount of fat burned during physical activity. This makes it an excellent pre-workout drink for those looking to optimize their fat-burning potential. In fact, caffeine has been used by athletes for years to improve performance. By increasing adrenaline levels, caffeine prepares the body for physical exertion, allowing you to push harder during workouts. This can be particularly useful for anyone trying to lose weight through exercise, as it allows you to tap into fat stores for energy more efficiently. However, it's important to remember that the timing of your coffee matters. Drinking coffee too late in the day can disrupt your sleep, which, as we've discussed, can have a negative impact on weight management. If you're going to use coffee as a pre-workout boost, aim to drink it at least 30 minutes before exercise and avoid it in the late afternoon or evening. So, what's the best way to incorporate coffee into your diet without sabotaging your health goals? Here are a few practical tips. 1. Choose black coffee. If weight management is your goal, stick to black coffee or espresso, which contain little to no calories. 2. Be mindful of additives. If you prefer milk or sweeteners, opt for low-calorie alternatives like almond or oat milk, and use natural sweeteners like stevia to reduce sugar intake. 3. Limit high-calorie coffee beverages. Drinks like lattes, mochas, and frappuccinos should be occasional treats, not daily habits. Monitor your caffeine intake. Aim to stay below 400 milligrams of caffeine per day to avoid negative side effects like anxiety and insomnia. 5. Time your coffee wisely. Drink coffee in the morning or before a workout to maximize its metabolic and fat-burning benefits. Avoid caffeine in the evening to protect your sleep quality. In conclusion, coffee can be both a powerful tool and a potential stumbling block when it comes to weight management. By boosting your metabolism, promoting fat oxidation, and potentially suppressing appetite, coffee can help you reach your health goals when consumed in moderation. However, the risks of overconsumption, poor sleep, and high-calorie coffee beverages should not be ignored. At the end of the day, the key is to be mindful of how you're drinking your coffee. Are you adding unnecessary calories? Are you drinking it too late in the day? By making a few simple adjustments, you can enjoy your coffee while staying on track with your health and fitness goals. Thanks for sticking with me today. If you found value in this video, make sure to hit the like button and share it with someone who's also on their health journey. Don't forget to subscribe for more content like this and hit the bell icon so you won't miss out on upcoming tips and strategies. Let's keep moving forward together. See you in the next one.